Okay, I did a review on these boots a while back, and as you can see, the boot is starting to separate on the other foot now. So I'll just go ahead and repair this, and hopefully it'll last to the end of the year. Then I'll just buy some new boots. These are Orvis boots, by the way. Okay, what I'm going to use to repair these boots is Marine Goop. This stuff works like anything else. Okay, open this up a little bit with a multitask tool. I put this in the sun a bit so I can warm up a little bit, make it easier to work with. Use the skewer to move the stuff around a bit. Okay, and I'm going to tack it down. I put several of these things in here. Okay, let's let it dry up and see what happens. Tomorrow I'll probably do a little bit of this too, so we'll see.